Hey guys, we got a really cool, awesome item. We got this cool product from Levoit, and I hope I didn't butcher that, but yeah, that's okay. But yeah, we're just gonna open it up. And now, the unboxing.
Here comes the sun, yeah, don't you know, it's gonna be a good day. Turn on your shine, it'll all be fine, it's gonna be a good day.
Okay, packaging. All right, this is the Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier by Levoit. On the box, it says that it's quiet. It has automatic humidifying mode. I don't know what that means, but I guess we'll find out. Warm and cool mist functions. I'm super excited about that part. Dual 360 mist nozzles, 12-hour timer setting, and an automatic low water level shutoff protection mode. We live in a climate that has 6% humidity. It's very dry here, and so that makes our skin super dry and our throats really dry. And as singers, that is really unfortunate. And so it's been super dry here. With the humidifier helps add that humidity back into your world. And now the unboxing. So let's open this puppy up. Okay, here we go. Thank you for choosing Levoit. You're welcome. Oh, they have an FAQ page, frequently asked questions. Good old styrofoam. Oh, a remote. Oh my gosh. Okay. Boom, I got it out. It's really pretty. When in doubt, read the directions. Large book of directions. Okay, so this is the nozzle for where the humidity will come out. And you can like turn it. Oh, cool. So you can have it go, all the humidity go one way, or you can put it so that it goes in separate directions, which is super cool. Handle cover. Handle cover and handle. So this is the handle. Oh my gosh. The things you learn when you read the directions. Lift it up and fill it with water. This is the water tank where the water goes. Water tank cap is number 5. Oh, okay. So the water tank cap, I guess that's what you would take off to fill it with water. Water level sensor. When it gets to a certain level, it'll shut it off automatically with that. Aroma box.
Ooh, what's that?
That is what that is. Can I take it? Oh, I don't want to break it.
Looks like it's supposed to be pulled
I feel
out.
like it is supposed to be, but let's see if there's like an aroma box.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. So you can put essential oils in there.
Ooh.
This is the display, the LED display. On-off button, mist level, which I guess we'll figure out what all these do when we work it. Warm, whether we want warm or regular. Humidity level button. So I guess you can do the level of humidity, maybe? I don't know. Timer, so you can time it for how long you want it on. Auto button, and then there's a remote control that it comes with all those same features on it. So you don't even have to get out of bed. Yes, winning! So now it's time to plug it in. Okay. Oh yes, our sink is full of dirty dishes. Hi, we live here. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. Oh my gosh, I don't lift weights. We need not. It's like a fish tank. If only it had a self-filling option, it'd be perfect. Okay, we're done now. Okay, I'm gonna fill it all the way. Well, I can't hold it. I just stepped on Frankie. Oops. We filled it up, and I hate flipping it over. I'm always worried it's gonna spill. Okay, go. Lower it down on here. Oh, it glugged. That's a good sign. A glug is a good sign. It be glugging, which means it's probably filling up down in there. Yeah, it's a good length cord. Good. Okay, now. Did it ding?
I heard something.
Okay. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Ooh.
Oh my god. 34%. 34%.
Take away my wrinkles. Oh, that's so nice.
I think you can add more humidity. I just
humid?
added more. So.
Ooh, yeah, take it up. I would think it would make your water level go down quicker, but because
So now we're at 40%.
We're
at 40%.
Oh, it's gonna be wonderful. I'm so excited. Are you feeling healthier?
I already feel cured. I'm officially cured. No, yeah, I do feel better. And I'm excited to use it and just see how much it changes everything, you know? Mm-hmm. It'll be interesting. You don't realize it's so dry here until you go somewhere humid and you come back and you're like...
Put the warmer on, see what happens.
So I don't know if the warm is on. Oh, it feels warmer.
It does.
Yeah, and it's on. It says it's on right there.
I am so excited. We might need one for every room.
I want one for college.
Definitely.
It's like such a good size for that too, you know? Mm-hmm. Thought it was gonna be giant.
Oh my goodness, the dogs are so excited. I have a humidifier, guys. Actually, they just need to go out to the bathroom.
What? It stopped. Oh. How come? I don't know. How? I wanted to get a cool shot.
Oh, you can actually make the display less bright.
I look angry. It's like coming out of my ears. I want more mist level. We want all the mist. Yes. Feels so good. It keeps shutting off. Now it's on auto. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so we're gonna do the remote, and I think I have to pull this plastic thingy out, right?
Probably for the battery, yeah.
And then we're gonna do, I'm just trying turning it off. Okay. I wasn't pushing you right, that's okay. That was on me. Then you can turn it on. And then there's this button on here. It turns on and off the display. So you can like go to bed and the light doesn't bother you. You can just, it has all the same like features on here, just on a remote. And it's so nice because it doesn't feel very wet like some humidifiers do. It feels like it's actually gonna go into the air. So this is super cool. So that's how you pick it up and fill it.
Oh, oops, I almost dropped the camera.